This is a short demonstration on how to use the Australian designed Nav-Aid rule. The Nav-Aid rule is a plotter which is used in flight to correct for off-course fixes. Now we'll just go through a practical example. Here we have a map at scale, which is not that important, but is a scale, 6-scale map. And our journey is to go from Pingelly down here up to Cunderdin. That's the track we want to make, that's the track we want to fly. Now the idea is this is going to be a VFR type navigation. We're going to do it by directing. Okay, we work out a heading to fly by applying our winds and deviations and variations to the magnetic heading, the magnetic track, and we end up with a heading. Right, we start from Pingelly and to fly that track using the heading that we've calculated. And we find that we are off track to the right over a peak here called Quadruped Peak. Now if we continue to fly that particular heading, that's where we're going to end up. So we have to make a correction to fly direct to Cunderdin. Now we were taught things like 1 in 60 rules and distance to fly and distance flown and distance off track, and then we used trigonometry to try and work out an alteration of heading to get direct to our destination. Right, this Nav-Aid rule solves it in no time at all. Right, there's our fix. We put the centre line of the Nav-Aid rule over the fix. We take the baseline back to our departure point and read off the radial, which will take us direct to Cunderdin, 12 degrees. So we have to go 12 degrees left and we'll be in Cunderdin, and it's about 35 nautical miles. How simple, just like that. Assuming we were to the left of track, a place called here Bockolin. Same procedure. You put the centre line over the fix, back to the destination, and we'll read off here that we have to go right about 10 degrees, 11 degrees, 10 to 11 degrees, and we'll be there in about 22, 23 nautical miles. That's it. How simple could it be? We have manufactured a Nav-Aid rule with a prayer wheel in the centre. For those who are keen to work out ground speeds and revised ETAs, the advantage of this being mounted inside the Nav-Aid rule, and I'll show you how. Okay, same procedure. Fix, back to the departure point. We can now read off that we've flown 22 miles, and assume we'd used a clock, and it would take us 10 minutes to get to this fix. 22 miles in 10 minutes gives us a ground speed here of about 134 knots, but more importantly we've got to fly 35 nautical miles, and that's going to take 16 minutes. Just like that. How easy could that be? Every pilot should have one of these in their flight bag. Every pilot. That is a demonstration of the Australian manufactured and designed Nav-Aid rule.